Hello and welcome guys to this interesting session of JavaScript part 11. In this session we are going to discuss the arrays in JavaScript. Guys, I have already created 10 session of JavaScript. If you missed that session, I will give the link on video description as well as the I button. Please check it out. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notification. And if you ended up liking my video, give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. What is array? An array is a special variable which can hold more than one value. If you have list of items like list of car name, for example, or storing the car in a single variable could look like an array can hold many value under a single name. A single variable can hold a single value under a single name, but array can hold many values, and you can access the value by referring to index number. To declare a array, we can write like this: const is a keyword const array name. Inside the square bracket, we can give the items. Okay. So if you remember my previous session, I'm using this JavaScript folder where 10 session already created. And now I'm going to create my own session of 11, which will be array list. I will be give this file in the Google Drive and give the link on the video description. You can download it and check it out. So this is the number 10 we saw. Now I'm going to add one more file, which will be session 11.html. Okay, let's copy paste from other HTML part completely to our session 11. Okay, here I have no need of this particular part. Okay, this is my simple session 1 and this will be session 11 array. Okay, here I can declare as like my array equal to, we can give like this. So I will give my the variable name as, let's say, cars. In India we have Tata cars, we have Mahindra SUV, and we have Maruti. So in this way I can assign the value to my array. To get the array value, we have same way. How? Let's print this one alert 0. So what is 0? 0 is our first value or 0 index. Save it, run, start debugging, Chrome. So you can see 0 is our coming Tata. So here I can give 2, so it will come my Maruti. Save the page, go to the browser and refresh it again. Right? So this is one way we can declare our array and we can fetch or select the array. One more way is this one, like this. So how I can do like this? So now let's comment the alert part, and this I can declare also var bikes equal to, inside this we have in here in Hero Honda, we have Bajaj, and we have EV is coming now, Ola. Right? This is the one way, or we can straightforward declare like this and we can push the array like this. So how we can push the array? Let's say we can do like this also. We can set our index. So we have now 3 index. We have Bajaj bike and we have Ola and we have previously it was coming Mahindra bike also. Now let's put a alert with bikes array. I just need bikes and the index is 2. 2 index means it will come our all. Save the page, go to the browser, refresh it. It's coming Ola. So there is two way I show you. We can declare constant, directly initialize our array, or we can push the item into array by assigning one index. And to select the value, we can also get array square bracket the index name. Let's say I am giving a non-index, let's say 10, which is not there. Save it, go to the browser and run it. This is coming undefined means null data. In 10 index, there is nothing, right? So I hope you understand this completely. If you do, give me a suggestion and comment in the comment box. It will be encouraging me a lot. Thank you very much.